Identify center seat bottom cover. Begin installation working front to back. Feed side Velcro flaps between seats. Release seat and push straps through opening. Attach side Velcro flaps to original seat carpet. Feed nylon straps through buckles. Tighten and adjust as necessary. Identify console cover. Work into place front to back. Pull side straps tight, working cover under plastic and affix to back of cover. Tighten and adjust as necessary. Position lid cover and wrap around lid. Tuck cover around handle. Fasten Velcro flap on lid to console. Identify proper seat back cover. Pull tight and work into place. Push front flap through separation in seat and attach securely to back flap. Adjust seat back cover as necessary. Identify correct seat bottom. Begin installation working front to back. Using the Velcro assistance tool, feed straps between seat and track cover. Pull tight. Feed nylon straps through separation in seat. Pull gently but firmly from other side. Attach side Velcro flaps to original seat carpet. Secure straps under seat as close to cushion as possible, avoiding interference with seat components or wires. Attach Velcro as close to cushion as possible.